Hi, I'm Craig Phillips, the very proud brand ambassador of SureSet Resins, and today I've arrived in the Midlands at a beautiful cottage to see one of SureSet's approved installation team lay a resin bound pathway. It's going to be covering about 90 square metres and it will wrap around 3 sides of the building. SureSet Resin Systems are committed to providing you with constantly high quality products. The strength of the product is the resin technology itself and is available for installers to be able to offer value for money and excellent installation service. When installed by a SureSet team, approved installer or global partner, the installation is backed by a 21-year guarantee. By combining the superior clean resin and premium quality natural aggregate, marble and recycled materials, they offer you the highest quality resin bound paving that is permeable, durable, UV stable, smooth and accessible. It's easy to maintain and SUDS compliant. The style they're installing today is the 3 to 6 mil barley butter topping. This goes directly on top of the 54mm SureCell base, which was prepared and laid the day before by the team. This interlocks together and comes in 1 metre square pieces, but can be broken down smaller if needed. Once it's levelled, it's infilled with gravel and compact down with a whacker plate, preparing the base for the resin bound topping. While the guys are setting up, getting ready to mix on the front, the rest of the team start to measure up and pace out the area at the rear of the building. This indicates how many mixes the guys have to make and how far each mix will spread. Where they've written numbers on the floor, this indicates to how many batches they're going to be making. For instance, where 4.2 is, that would be the equivalent of 4.2 mixes. Now, to combination of sizes when it comes to the aggregates, these 3 top bags here consist of 2 to 5mm stone, and the bottom one there, which is just 25% of it, is between 1 and 3mm. When mixing, gradually add your chosen aggregates into the forced action mixer. Mix together your 2-part resin components. Then measure and apply the catalyst. Mix well with an electric paddle drill until the colour changes. Resin bound systems require precise mixing of the resin and aggregate materials. If the ratios are not followed correctly, it can lead to an inconsistent mix, affecting the durability and the appearance of the final surface. Then add the resin mixture directly into the drum to combine with the aggregates. Mix for about 3 to 5 minutes until every stone is evenly coated with resin. Ensure every batch is mixed for the same amount of time. Now the first mix is done and loaded into a wheelbarrow. It's tipped into small manageable piles, which can easily be spread around to find the right depth with a flat edge spazzle, usually around 18 to 30mm. Then they use the hand trowel first, smoothing the surface out with a consistent pressure. The key is to work swiftly, as resin bound materials start to set within 20 or 30 minutes. However, SureSet is catalysed, so the curing time is easy to control. Then it's finished off over the top with a power float. This adds additional weight to compact down and polish the surface, assuring the finish is flatter, smoother and looks perfect. Once trowel smooth, they sprinkle a fine grit cast to help with the grip. Resin bound surfaces need sufficient time to cure and harden properly. Rushing the curing process or subjecting the surface to heavy traffic too soon can cause premature damage, resulting in cracks or indentations. To maintain your resin-bound surface, simply wash it with soapy water or a pressure washer and a stiff brush just a couple of times a year. This will keep it looking as good as new. So that's another successful resin-bound installation service now complete by one of SureSet's approved installers. Now, if you'd like to know more about the vast range of products and styles that SureSet stock, head straight over to their website, sureset.co.uk.